we just went to the doctor and I got a cycle because I ate his and we got some stickers. We got open your package.
Who is it from? Who's it from?
Luca. Pretty cow. What? Very pretty. Whoa.
Oh.
What? Another one.
It looks like Luca colored those too.
Oh, looky, look.
It says, I love you, Luca. Ooh, candy hearts. Oh, nice. Another card?
One for Kyle.
Mama will read those cards, okay?
This one's for me.
Wait, are those stickers back there? Wait, let me see. I didn't see what that was.
This one's for Kyle. This candy's for Kyle.
Can I see what those stickers are, please?
Oh. Oh.
Can I see what the stickers are?
Open. Oh. Huh? Open.
Cool. Can I see those stickers?
They're for me and Kyle. Yeah, open. Open.
Oh, those are pretty. Come on. Okay, what do you guys say?
Thank you. Hurry open.
Can you say Happy Valentine's Day to Luca?
Valentine's Day, Luca.
Look at.
Love you. Bye. Bye.